Hello, my wonderful people, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious, sumptuous beans and corn porridge. It was so delicious. For this porridge, I'm going to be using this white and black-eyed beans. Feel free to use any type of beans you like. I'm also going to be using maize, corn, which I'll remove from the cud. And then here I have some mackerel fish. We usually call it Titus. I'm going to smoke it and use some part of it, not all. Here I have selected and washed the beans, so I'm going to parboil it a little to avoid the bloating. And then we'll continue cooking. So it's parboiled now. We'll rinse it out from this water. So the next thing now is to cook it. I'm using pressure pot. So this is going to take about 7 minutes to cook the beans. Pour the beans into the pot. Add the corn, which I've removed from the cud. I like to add salt when I'm cooking beans. I feel it gives me more taste than when I add it after cooking. Pour hot water into the pot. Pour it a little above the beans and the corn if you're adding it corn. And then start cooking. Cover the pot and start cooking. This takes about 7 minutes. With this pressure pot, when it whistles 4 times, I turn off the stove. After smoking the fish, this is the quantity I'm using. Here I have dry pepper, curry, nutmeg, and some seasoning cubes, crushed seasoning cubes. I like the taste the nutmeg gives me, so I like to add it in beans porridge. Here I have palm oil. I've cut the smoked fish into pieces, tiny pieces. Here I have crayfish, some chopped onions, fresh pepper and tomato mix. I added a little garlic and ginger into this. So let's start making the sauce for the beans. Add some palm oil, about 1 cooking spoon of the palm oil. Add the onions and fry it for a little while. Then pour in the pepper and tomato mix and also stir. I'm adding these other spices, the curry, dry pepper, nutmeg, and the seasoning cubes. The crayfish. Then add the smoked fish. Stir everything together, and then we cover to allow it to cook for some time. This is how I cool my pressure pot before I open it. Put it in this kitchen sink and run water on it. You can see the vapor was going off. When it cools down, you will not see any vapor again. Then open the top and ensure that every vapor goes off before you open the pot. Please always do this to avoid accidents. And our beans and corn is well cooked. Look at the beans, so soft. So hot. The corn is also well cooked. So we stir once again. And then start adding the beans and corn into the sauce. And the food will be almost done. Stir and mix everything together. Then check for salt. You test it for salt. If okay, then you cover the pot and allow it to cook for some minutes. And then the food will be ready to eat. This tasted so delicious. My people were like, oh, this is so delicious. This is so sweet. And this is one of my best foods. I love eating beans and corn a lot. Our delicious jollof beans and corn is ready. Oh, or is it beans and corn porridge? Thank you, my beautiful and supportive people, for watching. God bless you all. And to my new subscribers, I acknowledge and appreciate you all. Please don't forget to subscribe. Till we see again with my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.